Wait, come back!
Buddy, what is it?
Big guy!
The ground is really unstable. We need to act fast. Steady now, steady now. We'll get you out.
We need immediate rescue support. There is no time left.
Send me the coordinates. We will provide immediate backup. Dispatch to all available rescue personnel. Report to the hangar bay now. Incident confirmed, Sector 4. Machinery.
Harness secure. Leg loops locked. Shovel ready. Med kit complete. Tools online.
Check.
Unit 2, clear.
Audio good.
All units confirmed. Move out.
Get everybody secured. We're on a hot extraction.
Roger that. Flight deck. Team is mounted.
Approach from North Slope. Triple point stabilization. Maintain ground safety. No margin for error.
Roger. Copy. We have visual on the landslide. Copy. Adjusting descent angle.
Clear the line! Watch the wind shear!
Wind shear. Adjusting throttle. Hold your line. Keep it steady. Right there. Bring us down.
Line secure. Clear.
Clear the head first.
Keep the airway open.
Airway clear. Keep it open. Watch the slope.
Keep the airway clear.
Push.
Hold the left side.
Keep that slope steady.
That slope steady!
Hold the left side. Keep that slope steady. Come on, we've got you. Push. Keep pushing. Almost through. Push. Keep pushing. Chest strap locked.
Rear support secured. The middle belt is good. Triple check. Secure the belly strap.
Hold it, tighten again.
Rear connection complete. Lock confirmed.
Lock confirmed.
Keep it centered.
Applying lift. Hold positions.
Easy, easy. You're right. Just hold on.
You're safe now. He's clear. Pull up. We've got you.
Vitals are...
The scan on the foreleg show increased density.
Yes, the holographic rendering confirms the stress fracture. We should adjust the harness tension.
Check the tension on the rear harness.
Looks good. Activating the crane.
You're all right. Just a little longer, then you can go home. Good boy.
Slow down, we're approaching the target area.
Copy that. Adjusting the angle now.
What do you see right there?
It looks consistent with the last reading. The visualization is much clearer now that the gel is spread.
The liver appears healthy, no signs of abnormality here. We'll continue to monitor.
Okay, flashback confirmed. Advancing the catheter now.
Got it. I'll prep the tape.
Starting the wrap now.
Okay, I have it. Maintain pressure below.
Okay.
Looks good. We can secure it there.
Just a little further now. Easy, easy. Good job, Mahesh.
Here you go, sweetie. Eat up. You need to get strong.
Oh, you got us. He likes the bath.
That's it. Easy now. You're doing great, big guy. Almost there.
Go on now, be free.